That sounds good, man. Yeah, Miss Sanders, look, I have been interested in that property for some time now. Uh-huh. Well, what I'll do, I will send an associate of mine to do the preliminary groundwork, just look at it and report to me. Yeah, man, that's fine. You're right. It's all about legacy, leaving a legacy behind. Okay then, good. Legacy.
Carlton, are you serious? You didn't hear when I told you about my past with my... You know what? I'm not even gonna go through with this. I see now that this was a really bad idea.
Sandra.
Yeah?
Have a seat. I didn't mean to bring back the past and rehash certain things, but I had to tell you how I feel or how I felt about our intimacy in the marriage. However, it wasn't all bad. We did have some good times, but the way you came the other day and seeing that you came with Trevor, I have to be on guard.
And that's the problem. Like, I don't feel that we can have a healthy relationship if you're always on guard. I mean, I never got to see who you really were as a person in a marriage, and I feel like our marriage never really had a good chance, you know? And that's why I came back. So when I saw Trevor the other day and he said he knew where you were, I kind of wanted to, you know, get some closure to the whole thing.
Closure? That was your approach to closure? That felt more like a confrontation, a threat even. You said you want everything. I mean, that's not closure.
I don't understand. I never said that.
Sandra, I was sitting right there on the table. You ranted about you not having the security of a husband, you're losing your business, and me living a luxurious life, and you want everything. You don't remember that?
No, I don't remember that. I mean, when I saw Trevor, he brought me up to the apartment. I came, I said hi, I looked around, and the next thing I remember, you threw me out. I don't remember that.
Sandra, are you okay? You sure you're alright?
Look, okay. I don't remember what you're talking about, and if I did something or said anything to offend you, I apologize, right? I just wanted to come have a civil conversation. I don't know, maybe see if we could go, you know, to a more amicable place from here. I mean, that's if you're not seeing anybody. Are you?
No, I'm not seeing anybody. Can I get you something to drink?
Thanks, that'd be nice.